Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off sound and vibration notices or notifications on the Facebook mobile app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. And you want to select the settings button. If you do not see settings, you may have to expand settings and privacy and then select settings. Underneath preferences, select notifications and then scroll all the way down the bottom where it says where you receive notifications, select push. And then for the sounds and vibration options, if you want to have them enabled, it should be a little blue circle. Otherwise, click inside the oval to turn them off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.